So in this video we're going to be having a look at these budget-friendly sports earbuds from a company that you've probably never heard of. So these are the Truefree 01s, and Truefree reached out asking if I wanted to review these earbuds. And I usually wouldn't be that interested in reviewing earbuds, but these ones have some interesting features, so I said yes. So we're going to start this video off with a look inside the box. So the packaging does actually feel pretty premium. The first thing you're greeted with on opening the box is a bit of paper that tells you to download the app. So here are the earbuds themselves. We'll come back to these. There's a pretty standard looking instruction manual. You'll then find this smaller box with a USB-C cable for charging the earbuds. So we're just going to go and unwrap the Truefree 01, and as you can see it's quite a large device. Comparing them to my Pixel Buds Pro, you can see the Truefree 01 is like double the size. Here's a closer look inside the case and at the earbuds themselves. They do look pretty good for the price. So before we carry on, if you are enjoying, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more tech, car videos. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. So if you are enjoying, consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel, and we're going to try and aim for 20 likes on this video. That's the end of my cheeky self-promotion. Let's get on with the video. So what actually are the Truefree 01s? Well, they're over-ear style earbuds. They cost around £50, so they are in the budget segment of wireless earbuds. But if you are interested in picking these up, you might be able to get them for cheaper than £50, because Truefree did say they would send me a discount code. If they have sent me this code, it'll be in the description below, so save yourself some money if you do want to pick these up. But as I was saying, these are budget-friendly wireless sports earbuds. And this is the interesting part that separates these earbuds from a lot of other earbuds. These earbuds don't actually go into your ear canal, they sit in front of your ears. So what does this all mean? Basically, when you're wearing these earbuds, you can hear your surroundings really well. There is a small space between your ears and the actual speakers of the earbuds. So this would make these earbuds ideal for running, cycling, or any activity where you need to hear your environment. Now I know that a lot of more expensive earbuds, such as these Pixel Buds Pro, they have a microphone pass-through mode, so you're able to hear your environment using the microphones in the earbuds. But this is just an alternative way of doing it. Is it actually better than using the microphone? I don't know. You can think of these earbuds as basically two small speakers near your head. So we're next going to cover the design of these earbuds, starting with the case. So here it is, here's the case that these earbuds come in. As you can see, it's actually quite a large case as far as cases go. Here's my Pixel Buds case, just for comparison. I'd say it's probably double the size of these Pixel Buds. As far as the build quality of the case goes, it's nothing special, it's just plastic. The hinge mechanism is fine, it's not particularly satisfying. For comparison, my Pixel Buds case, much more satisfying to open and close. The case itself is also quite basic. It has a USB-C charger on the back, and then on the front it has 3 LEDs that indicate how charged the case is. Inside the case there's the left and right earbuds with a pairing button. The earbuds themselves actually do feel pretty decent. They're not particularly heavy, but the area that connects the battery to the speaker is pretty flexible, so you can kind of adjust it to your ear. But the overall build quality is probably what I would expect from a £50 pair of earbuds. The next question is, how comfortable are these earbuds? So this is what they look like, and to be honest, they're actually fairly comfortable. At the moment I've only been wearing them for a couple of minutes, but they're not uncomfortable. Obviously this is going to depend on the shape of your ears, but I'm going to say it's a thumbs up from me. They do feel fairly comfortable, and I do quite like the fact that they're not blocking my ear canal. I can hear what's going on around me. They also don't feel like they're going to fall off straight away. Let's do the shaking head test.
What the Sigma?
Yeah, so I don't think these would fall off if I went for a run. Do they pass the glasses test? Yeah, to be honest, they're actually comfortable with glasses on, which is good. So next we're going to move on to sound quality, which is arguably one of the most important factors when buying earbuds. So the fact that these earbuds don't make a seal around your ear does compromise the sound quality. The sound quality isn't amazing, which is disappointing. I think this is probably because it's not making a seal around your ear, but the bass just isn't there. But I'd say the mids and the high frequencies are okay. It's the bass that's letting these earbuds down, which is surprising because these earbuds do have quite a large driver. They have a 16mm driver. For comparison, the AirPod Pros have an 11mm driver. So in theory, these should have a pretty decent bass, but I think it's just because it's not making a seal around your ear. And there is also a lot of background noise getting into your ear, which will kind of drown out the bass. So I'm going to give the sound quality a 6 out of 10. I would say they're good enough for listening to music when you've got to run, or an audiobook. But if you're an audiophile, these probably won't satisfy you. So we're next going to have a look at battery life, and I'm happy to say that the battery life of these Truefree 01s is decent. So Truefree quote 10 hours of playback time when wearing the earbuds, and this can be extended to 45 hours using the battery life in the case as well. So that means that the 700 milliamp hour battery in the case will provide 4.5 charges to the earbuds. So the battery life is decent, and it has been decent when I've tested them. So it's thumbs up from me. So that's probably one of the advantages of having a slightly larger case. So we're finally going to have a look at some of the features of these earbuds. So we're going to start off by having a look at the controls on these earbuds. So these earbuds have touch controls that allow you to change the volume, skip tracks. There's actually quite a lot you can do with the touch controls. So as well as what I've just mentioned, you can also reject phone calls, answer phone calls, switch the earbuds to gaming mode, activate a voice assistant, pause and play tracks, power the earbuds on and off, and switch between 2 active calls. There's actually quite a lot going on with the touch controls, which I think is the main issue, to be honest. When I was running with these earbuds, I found the touch controls at first to be quite complicated. Another issue that I had with the touch controls is that it's not very obvious where on the earbud you need to touch to control them. So I'd probably give the touch controls a 5 out of 10. They're okay, but they're too complicated and not that easy to use. In terms of other features, as I mentioned, these earbuds come with a gaming mode. I had to actually Google what this did because it doesn't actually say in the instruction manual what the gaming mode does. But I am assuming that the gaming mode is a low latency mode, so there's less of a delay between the game that you're playing and the audio that you hear in your earbuds. So that is a nice and useful feature that will probably be useful if you want to use these earbuds for editing, because latency is one of the main reasons I still use wired headphones when I'm editing. These earbuds also come with Bluetooth 5.3, and it also claims on the box a 10-meter range, which I didn't think was particularly impressive, but I am happy to report that the range is a lot better than 10 meters. If you're in direct line of sight with your phone, you can go like 100 meters away. I've just tested it when I was running. I think the 10 meters only applies if there's like really thick walls between you and your phone. And finally, there was something on the box that I thought was a little bit misleading. It says dual mic noise cancellation. So you might read that and think that these are a pair of noise cancelling earbuds, but they're not. I think it means that the microphones won't pick up background noise when you're on a phone call to someone. And it is worth mentioning that Truefree does have an app, so there is an equalizer that you can adjust if you want to. So in conclusion, do I think you should go out and pick up these Truefree 01s? Probably not. I think for most people, these in-ear earbuds are probably a lot better. They sound better and they're smaller, but for a select few individuals that want some over-ear earbuds that allow you to hear your environment really well. So for someone that wants some dedicated running or cycling earbuds, and if they're not too fussed about the sound quality, these are a really good option. And so as I mentioned, there will be a link to these earbuds in the description below. And there may also be a discount code, so have a look down below if you are interested in these earbuds. And if you have enjoyed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I make tech and car videos, and I will see everyone in my next video.